Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. We will be discussing some stocks of London Stock Exchange today that we think will bring some decent return in near future. However, the stocks mentioned here also traded in other European stock markets and some even in overseas market. So you are most likely to reach them by your broker, no matter where you live. Few words before we get started, we will be saying the current price of the stocks and at which price we think you can buy. But the amount of return you will be happy with depends totally up to you. Like other things in life, different people will be happy with different amount of return, also the time is another factor to consider. One common strategy is waiting for the stock to hit a certain price and then catch it there. However, we will be discussing various types of share so our viewers can choose on their own. Usually people choose share by looking into its financial stats, competitiveness on that industry and overall growth, but as we all know those factors might not reflect on a stock's price in real world. There are many other factors involved, some of which we can't even measure. We all have our own way of research and strategy, but end of the day, it's the result that matters. Let's hope the predictions we are giving today comes out correct and help our viewers. Now let's get started. We will start with some travel stocks. The lasting impact of COVID-19 affected stock market just like other businesses, but we are hoping to get things normal again eventually, and stocks like International Consolidated Airlines Group and TUI AG might also be rising in near future. Some travel and leisure stocks already gaining ground as new locations are getting added to the green list, so now is the perfect time to consider some potential stocks of this sector. International Consolidated Airlines Group is currently trading on 163.52 Great Britain pence as of 27 August 2021. We think investing in it at 155 GBX could be profitable in future. TUI AG is a German multinational travel and tourism company and we think it's in the path of recovery too. Currently it's trading on 316 GBX and if you can buy it around 310 GBX it has the potential to benefit you in the long run. Go Ahead Group plc is a passenger transport company currently trading on 977 Great Britain pence. Considering all things it could be said that the current price is little unfair. If you can get it around 950 GBX it could be proved as a good buy in the long run. Let's move on to pharmaceutical sector. Pharmaceutical sector is known for high growth as well as wild price swings. As you all might see in the past, some pharmaceutical companies' stock price just hit the moon by finally reaching to profit or by some good news like inventions. But that's where some investors are interested because some people want to bag the high return and ready to take the risk associated with it. PharmaMar SA is a Spanish biopharmaceutical holding company currently trading at €72.38 in London Stock Exchange. We think it has a high chance of growth. And if it becomes true, you should be holding it if you consider yourself a speculator. On that case you should buy some of its stock at €70. H. Lundbeck is a Danish pharmaceutical company and its stocks are currently trading at 183.18 Danish krone. Despite its debt issues we think the company has enough potential to grow in future. High percentage of institutional investors might give you extra comfort buying it, but it has its downside too. But after all we think it is a good buy at 180 Danish krone. Selectix SA is another biopharmaceutical company from France which we think have some strong potential of growth in near future. The price is €12.21 right now, but if you can buy it at €10.30 it might bring you the hefty return of growth. Another stock that we think has a strong potential of growth is Morphosis AG. It's currently trading at €48.66 in London Stock Exchange as of 27 August 2021. We think you can buy it around €46 if you want to secure the return of its future growth. Now let's move on to some leisure stocks. LeoVegas AB is a Swedish mobile gaming company and currently trading at 37.49 Swedish krona. We think it can bring a decent profit in near future if you can buy it at 36 Swedish krona. Another similar company you can bet on is Bet at Home, which is currently trading at €27.03. You might consider buying it at €26 and for some decent return in upcoming months. Another stock you might be interested to follow is Kambi Group, which is currently trading at 237.80 Swedish krona. You can buy it at 216 Swedish krona and hope for some quick profit. If you're looking for quick profit, Vector Capital should be on your watch list. On August 27, 2021, on a single day it gave a whopping 11.24% profit. But it will be interesting to see if we can get such an opportunity in near future. But I would surely buy Vector Capital if touches 44 Great Britain pence again in future. Ubisoft Entertainment has a potential chance of growth in future. You can buy it at €50 as a long-term investment. So that's all for today about potential stocks. Before we go, we should clarify some things about our suggestions and stock trading in general. We gave a hint at which price you should buy the stocks we discussed here. But the stocks might go upward from now on, not giving you the opportunity to buy at our suggested price. On the other hand, the price may fall lower than our suggested buying price. At the end of the day, it depends up to you at which price you want to buy a stock. However, at which price a particular person will be satisfied when buying a stock varies from person to person. So, the bottom line is it all depends on you. We can only notify you the possible opportunities you might consider. Hopefully today's video will help our viewers to find the stocks they're looking for. For any more question, please comment and email us. We will be glad to hear from you in any way. We're looking forward to see the returns of the 12 stocks we've discussed here. Thanks for joining us today. But for now, goodbye. Stay home and stay safe.